Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're getting into what's really going on inside ChatGPT.
You talk to it, and it feels like it gets you, right? But does it really?
Well, it turns out it's more of an illusion. It's an incredibly clever mimic, not a mind.
See, it's not about understanding, it's about predicting what comes next. Let's break that down.
So, it all begins by turning our language into numbers. The AI doesn't see words, just math.
It chops up everything you say into these little pieces called tokens. Think of them like Legos.
Yeah, even one word like understanding can get split into smaller bits for the machine to handle.
Next, each token gets an embedding, basically a long string of numbers that defines its meaning.
You can kind of think of it like a GPS for words. Similar words are neighbors on a map.
This is how it gets relationships. King is way closer to queen than it is to car.
Okay, but what about context in a long sentence? That's where the magic of self-attention happens.
It's a cool trick that helps the model figure out which words are the most important.
So in a sentence like this, what does it even mean? Is it the programmer or the bug? And boom, self-attention nails it. It connects it to the bug, keeping the meaning straight.
So this brings us to the core secret of how it all works. It's not thinking, it's predicting.
It just guesses the next most likely word, or token, again and again until it's done.
But if it's just predicting, well, that also explains why it sometimes just makes stuff up. You've probably heard of this. It's called an AI hallucination, and it happens all the time.
See, its main goal is to sound fluent, not to be factually right. There's no fact checker inside.
So here's the bottom line. It's recognizing patterns, not truly thinking. It's a powerful mimic.
Now, knowing this trick actually makes you way better at using tools like ChatGPT, because now you know to ask better questions and to always be critical of the answers.
Remember, you're guiding a pattern matcher, not a fact checker. That's a huge advantage for you.
Which all leads to a pretty deep question. If it's only predicting, what is understanding anyway?